Hello, all of you. How is your preparation going on for the DT exam tomorrow? I know your time, my time, all is valuable. Just completed 11 to 2 the regular fast track batch for the December and January attempt. But very important is messaging me that not able to remember everything. It is not like that. If you have taken the coaching properly, if you have done the revision, you are feeling like that, but important provisions definitely you will remember and you are able to recollect in the exam. टैक्स का पेपर कैसे आएगा मैम, एक बार गेस तो कीजिए. आई डोंट नो whether it's going to be very easy or tough, but even if it is at the toughest level, what if I say there is something which will help you to get at least 50 marks? Agar exam mein something is tough, something is technical, something is lengthy, there is something. So now the mindset comes here: reach the exam center before time. Last moment gyan lena nahi, dena nahi. Just wait at a place where best you can. Either if you are a person who would like to revise till last moment, okay, do your own studies, whatever you wish. Or if you're a person who don't want to study anything at last, don't study, no problem. But just in that time, plan for the paper pattern and the reading time. I hope you are clear. Yesterday I have solved MTP. There also in the beginning I have discussed the paper pattern. Very important for all of you is DT, IDT. Separate sheets are given. So just solve the DT paper in DT, IDT carefully with the black ballpoint pen and underline the clue things. Very important. Suppose you are solving a residential status. So conclusion is Rahim is a resident and ordinary. Underline the clue words. It will really help you while you are reading the question paper. Make the choice what you are going to do. It's okay if question number 2, 3, 4 you have to attempt any two and you want to start with question number 3. Whatever you know best, look into the question paper and there will be definitely something which will help you to get 50 plus or 60 plus for sure. MCQs your wish. You can do it in the beginning. And for case scenario, very, very helpful feedback from the earlier students is in your answer sheet, make a rough work. What is case scenario? It's a question and the answer which is solved. Are you getting? It's a question only in the form of the case scenario. The first bit answer is gross total income. Second bit is ATC reduction. Third is total income. So can we do a rough work in our answer sheet? Rather than doing everything in the calculator, please use rough work in the answer sheet. No formatting, nothing is required. Don't write anything in the question paper, but in the answer sheet, you can write. Okay. So you can start with MCQs, then out of 2 and 3, whatever you know best, and then do question number 1, which is compulsory. Calculate the tax as per new regime and old regime. Don't write extra notes of residential status, half page question and 1.5 page notes. Those notes agreed are there in RTP, MTP material because they are self-explanatory. They are explaining to you. You need not explain in exam. So write the least notes. Now, some of you are asking me the weightage wise most important with the 5 heads and scoring, and sometimes ignored is set off and carry forward. What if I say set off and carry forward is 6th head? Either it will come separately for 5 to 7 marks or it will come in the form of the case scenario or somewhere. So please study. You can just revise in 15 minutes the rule of set off and carry forward. If you want, there is one short revision video in the first 25 minutes and you can watch it at 1.5 speed. So 15 minutes you can know what are the rules you have to remember, pitfalls you have to avoid. Like if you're doing in default tax regime, you don't have to set off the house property loss with others. If you're in new regime, house property loss can be set off only up to 2 lakh. So this is a very important aspect. Coming to deductions, ATTTA, which is allowed for all the individuals for saving account interest up to 10,000. ATTTB, senior citizen, 50,000 on saving and FD. These are the common sections asked. Coming to one more very important thing for these are the doubts asked in 2 days. So I'm saying if you have anything to ask, please, I'm checking the live chat. Not going to take much time, that is for sure. Very important is rent free accommodation. Even if they give first, you calculate it last, because for rent free accommodation you will need the taxable allowance, the basics, the bonus and all. Same way, when it is coming to deductions, calculate ATG last. ATC, ATU, ATTTA, everything you write, and last you take ATG, because you have to take the adjusted total income. So these are few reminders what last 2 days. Yeah, TDS without fail. Overseas tour operator and 194N. Withdrawal above 1 crores. The 2% is TDS deducted. If the return is not filed, the limit is reduced to 20 lakhs, right? So check that. All that is all covered up. Anything if you feel that you want to study now and missing on DT marathon lecture 1 and 2 is there, just check it at 1.5 speed also. Okay, you will come to revise the whole topic, taking care of the pitfalls, right? There's one 15 minutes video on new, and all these links collectively I have shared in the WhatsApp challengers group. And note down the number 9290065156. Any doubts you have, do not hesitate. I know पहले ही पढ़ लेना था ना, कैसे doubt आया, होता है कभी कभी last moment. If you get doubt, click the picture and send me. Will surely be willing to help you. Refer the DT IDT marathons and the format revisions. That's what is required last this. And if you finish everything, still time is there. MTP 1 and 2 is very good. Amendments, so sorry, I really forgot, I wanted to start with this, that amendments are not only important for the May attempt. There are no separate amendments. जो May के लिए था वही अभी applicable है, but those amendments for MSME, small amendments are there, very important. Just 4 pages PDF is there. I'll post it again. Check that and go. Amendments for the upcoming exam. GST also, right? GST, like, for sure the question is going to come on ITC and value of supply, either 15 marks combined or 10. Start with that, it properly while paying the tax. Output minus input and set of rules and all, but if it is RCM tax, you have to pay in cash. You can't set off the RCM tax in the input credit available. So like these small things care karke karo. And theory questions, if they ask in GST for waybill, for returns, for registration, write it in simple pointers, simple pointers. Okay, right. Please ask your queries. If you have any query, please ask. Don't worry. And for others, those who feel that I have given you some confidence, you will do super duper well. Say to yourself, whatever you have studied, answer sheet mein pen flow hoga. Read the question carefully, put it in answer sheet. Don't worry what around us are saying and doing. But literally, and after the exam, stop the paper discussion. Don't call me also, because mindset should be how I'm going to do the costing paper. Yeah, Dhananjay, I'm waiting. You have any doubt, you can ask. Others, please, I hope I have not taken any extra thing, but these I felt were very important and repeatedly asked. Mindset should be clear. Case scenario is what? It's a question. So I don't believe in solving 2 marks MCQ on calculator. If it is easy in GST, go for it. If it is rough work for MCQ in your answer sheet, you can do, but don't write anything in the question paper. That is for sure. Something is definitely there which is very easy waiting for you in tomorrow's exam to help you source super well. I've been teaching accounts, costing, tax, but I know as a teacher, कितना भी effort डालो tax में कम है, because it is not difficult, but it is vast. Same for you all. But something from supply, something very easy from composition scheme definitely will come, कि ये तो मेरा देखा हुआ है. God bless you all. Wish you very all the best. Marathon lectures, all links I have put in community post also, in the Telegram and WhatsApp also. Any help you need, you can ask. That's all for today. God bless you all. Wish you very all the best and stay connected. I'm going to take a very nice session for costing also here. I'm not here to teach you 8 hours, 9 hours now. अब अगर मैं पढ़ाऊँ ना अगले दिन, तो मैं justify नहीं करूँगी. हाँ, but if you have a doubts, 1-to-1 always welcome in the challengers group. Dhananjay, are you there? You have some query, anyone? Anything? If you're writing in January 25 and you're listening to me, please join the practice batch. Today we did capital gain. Years of experience, and I'm not going to miss out a single concept. I'm not saying all this for marketing. I don't need that. You watch the demo lectures are there and then decide and join. And if you want to attend, 92900 65156 is the link. Team is not going to pick up your number, but they'll answer on WhatsApp. And even sometimes if they are available evening and all, they'll pick up also, no problem. You register and attend one day Zoom class, and you can, I feel, even if you know it, why don't you take the coaching again? Not a very big amount we are charging, and when you meet with the teacher every day, class work, homework, chapter wise exam, you are going in a systematic. It's like mirror. 3 दिन मैम का क्लास मिस कर दिया, अब क्या बोलूं, right? Yeah, it is from the scratch only. Even if it is fast track, you check the lectures and never start with business at being very important. Fast track hai, chalo shuru karo capital gain. No, it is going to start right from the beginning. That is the tax rates, then the residential status. Then I skip salary for some reason, that when you attend the class, house property, capital gain, like that, it is going on. And as a teacher, I'll not get a good sleep if I miss out the concept, be it one shot revision or be it fast track or be it regular. So I request to all the students, please check the demo lectures and join, right? Please share these links which I have given for the September students DT marathon 1 and 2. 2 घंटे में सबका आपको gist और format मिल जाएगा, right? All the best. Any more queries? I know randomly I started because this was required. So many of you, किसी ने कुछ लिखा है, किसी ने कुछ लिखा है. Yeah, stamp duty value. Please write stamp duty value or actual sale consideration, whichever is higher. That when you go to valuation officer, if he is giving higher, then go for the stamp duty value. Now there are two stamp duty values. So you have to take the stamp duty value on the date of agreement if amount is coming other than cash. On agreement, nothing is coming or amount is coming in cash, then you take the stamp duty value of registration. This is like a bit capital gain का answer शुरू ही होगा, and you will be able to do it correctly. Okay, right? Please go for January 25 batch, because May there are going to be so many changes which have come in this July. So don't miss the exam and go for others. Those who have exam tomorrow, please leave. If you don't have doubt, every minute of yours is important. God bless you. Sleep properly, take proper break, अच्छा खाओ. कुछ भी डाउट है तो पूछो, और अच्छी पढ़ाई करो, आप पक्का क्लियर करोगे, right? Yeah, Dhananjay, for you and for others, of course, you can plan and write the exam in these 3 months properly. I'm telling you, January 25 is a superb attempt. May 25, it's going to change. This July, so many amendments again in TDS, TCS, audit rules. Audit limits are also very important. So again, you'll have to go for all the amendments. Or this is to DT, GST, to all more amendments. Abhi GST council meet was there. Now RCM is applicable on rentals also. So like this, why you want to take a break? Please, all of you who are listening to me, and if you have a doubtful mind whether you should write in the December or January or the next May or June, definitely go. There's good time and you will be able to do it from scratch. But you have to plan your hours. 1-to-1, I'm helping you in mentoring. You have to message on that number, and they will add you in the mentoring group and they'll give you a slot, Dhananjay. You can also meet 1-to-1 and I'll guide you for sure. It's like a privilege कि कोई भी student को हम best help कर सकें, right? Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you so much, all of you, for listening to me since last 5-10 minutes. Only the first 10 minutes were important for those who have joined for yesterday's exam, right? Thank you and bye-bye, all of you.